Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some news. Also, I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis about crypto. So let's just start, cause we are about to end the deal with Iran. I mean, US about to end with Iran. And tomorrow is big days. They will decided, to finish it or just to continue. Of course, it's affecting crypto market and most of market is same as Brent gold. Not that much gold side, but I can say it's pretty affecting most of them. Cause the things, yeah, it says Donald Trump makes statements on the Iran deal, but the things, guys, they not making anything. Even if you did watch my last video about it, I do believe that they making some agreement with each other, like they have some deal. It looks like that because they have some cost and nobody gonna accept it to pay because of the war. And I am thinking that my opinion, they just decided to make it that fight to take it this cost from stocks, crypto, or whatever it's valuable. That's I'm still thinking that's why whatever is gonna happen tomorrow, I will just think that one side of them making long, or if they made it opposite, I will think that one side of them making short. It's not gonna be surprise. It's like that. Uh, just think about it. When Trump talking bad, you can consider like he's making short him as well. Iran, and when they are talking opposite that time they're making long, and it's not things that I am just saying, it's not coming out of my mouth only, we saw just 20 minutes ago of Trump's speech. There was one wallet who opened, I guess if I'm wrong, just sorry, some things like 30 million, like that, I'm not sure. There was a wallet opened a short position just 15 minutes 20 minutes ago of Trump's speech. So of course they're not surprised. Right now I'm not thinking there's have any big issue side of Iran and America, or also Iran and Israel. I'm thinking that uh, they're just trying to cover it. That's it. So for a long period of time, I don't think so there will be so huge stuff. Maybe just a couple of missiles. That might be okay. Just to let people think like, yeah, we are not bluffing. But other side, I don't think so. It's gonna continue. They will just make small agreement like that, and while that moment, they're gonna earn long, short. While that time, we need to just watch out ourselves. So let's see. Now let's see the market, what's going on. Right now market has one rise caused from talking positive if you're following it up. But the things, guys, we are on some point which is pretty dangerous, because if we drop over under this level in total, we will see a drop, and we will see a drop after that level. We might see even 2.33 trillion in total market cap, and it's not gonna be surprise because it's a head and shoulder formation. It will drop same head as like the formation head. And yeah, we are on critical, we are here for sure. They will find some reason to make it drop, or they would make it opposite, but it's like uncertainty, like they can make some things very straight. That's why so far it's not make sense to make any position, some of them, not all of them. When it's break up this previous, and especially if you ask me, I do prefer to surpass this level as well. Then I can think that might be right, true. I mean, but if it's not, if it drop, I do consider this formation to it might work like that. And on side of Bitcoin, by the way, first of all, I wanted to show you USDT because I'm talking about total market cap. Yes, it's looking like head and shoulders formation, but inside of USDT dominance, also I'm seeing inverse head and shoulders inside of the channel. So if it's work, same as total, if it's work, if it's make reversal on that point and it's break up this level, which level? Let me just show it. this level, that time I do expect some rise which is can reach top of the channel, also same head as this head and shoulder formation. So it's not going to be surprised when it's make this formation on the total side. We will see the opposite. Why they work like that, if you know that. If you don't know, just watch my serial. So in gold we're still in position. It came here. By the way, don't forget to take some profit when gold rise, like make it three, just split it three and take each one profit cost. Gold moving slow, but anyway, it still didn't stop, so that's good. I do things still same on gold, but of course it will come slowly. Just let me make it my stop loss little lower just in case. I don't know why I didn't give any stop loss. Maybe I just let you decide. Anyway, let's put it. So on side of silver, guys, on silver side we earn good, or we earn or more than half of our position. So if you know our trade, what is our strategy, I know that you already closed half of it and you bring your stop loss to enterprise. So and it's already give, as you see, 8%. It's very good. It's very good. So you already earn 8%. You can continue, but the things, you know what I'm gonna make it? I'm gonna close this on my side. But if you wanna take risk with lower leverage, if you open 3x on this part, just make it 1x here. You can continue like that, or else you can just close same as me. After that, to be honest, also it might make this movement. Where is it? If it decided to, make reversal, it can make reversal on this part. I still expect first 85, then 88 on silver. But if you closed, you can consider this part to, open again. On Brent side, Brent, yes. It's just touch our level, which is 84, and it may reversal, it may rise. That's not surprise because of the situation in geopolitical side. I do still expect a drop on Brent, guys. Whatever it happened, yes, trying to. If okay, let's make it like that. If it not surpass this level and close three candle, green candle over that level, I still expect a drop. I can consider this like a pullback. Let's see. But of course, everything's also about like, how can I say, destiny. Whatever comes out of Trump mouth. So let's see. On BNB, guys, already it's gave half percentage, so our strategy. Just close half, bring your stop loss to enterprise. So half of it stopped, half of it came the target, and we didn't lose anything. We just earn. We avoid our losses. That's good. So right now on side of BNB, it's used this part like a support, but to be honest, guys, see, I do expect a drop here as well. But whatever I said, I do expect drop. But if Trump says something's good, like something's change in uh, world, that might make rise, it might make pump in market. That's why right now it's not make sense to make anything on BNB. And also, if you realize it, I told you always the channel makes channel, and it happened just 3 times, not more. Also, as you see, when it's break up, it's rise. When it's break up, it's rise, and it dropped now. That's why I do expect drop. It should drop, and when it drop, if it's drop lower of this level. Sorry, let me just bring. I do expect a drop till here at first. Then if it's very worse market, you can consider this area as well. But at least we might see 611 10, yeah, in BNB. So guys, Soul's really goes choppy. It's not making, yeah, it's making a channel, but also not channel, like it's too choppy. That's why I'm not gonna call anything to it. It's walking on side that support, but Solana has good news. Finally, it got some investments. That's why I still do hope some good things. Of course, everything's made lower low, but it didn't make it still equal. That's why over this level, I do expect 92 on Solana if it can, surpass the previous high. But till, if you ask me, I don't think to make anything. Yeah, you can consider till 92, but also if you can break up over this level, it will go well. It will break the channel, you know it. But right now, mm, we can consider, like you can consider if you're watching this video today, the day I shared, just wait for next day. If next day Trump told positive, then you can consider. If not, then just skip it. It's better because if there are something bad, we can see 7 to 8. To be honest, I don't think so we're gonna see that bad. You know it. Yeah, always I'm telling. Bitcoin Cash also almost give like 2.7 percentage. Come on. So I can, and after we just earn half of our position because we got half percentage and stop loss enterprise. So far I don't, let's look at like that. Yeah, it would make some rise. It's already top of it and it closed, I guess, 2 candles. Yes, it looks like it will rise, guys, and I can say that it can rise till here. You know that Bitcoin Cash always works opposite of market. If market goes up, it's like drops or opposite. Right now, market indecision. It might make rise as long as it's closed candle over this level. Don't change it. Let's mark here. It might rise. Yes, this is good. But when it's break up this channel, don't stay inside of it. But the things, guys, if it rise and it came around here, that time will be two double support. That will be strong. So let's say if it make rise, where is it? If it make rise and drop here, then you can consider to take it. Because there will be nice support if there is not so huge bad news, then you can consider it's good area to take it, but don't forget this part. And XRP, we earn 8% on XRP last week, so that's good. Right now I do expect a rise again. If I would open before this video, I would tell you some, yeah, open a position on here, but anyway, it's still not late. Same like Bitcoin Cash, when it's made rise, let's say it rise and then it decided to drop, when it came this part, okay, then you can consider to open look. Right now it's not make sense till see some clear market. And XLM making flag, but it need to surpass the previous high. That's why it's not make safe. With one news it can drop to 0.15. So if you see some, by the way, this part 5% not bad. If you see it's closing candles over this level, then you can consider long. If it's closing over here, let me just make it, yeah, this weeks is important, it must close lower this weeks, then you can consider short. Right now it's just in the middle. And Zach, guys, I don't know how much we earn on Zach. It was like crazy. It's like my baby, and like each one we are earning 18, 13 percentage, like even 9 percentage. Smallest one 6, almost 6. That's perfect. And yeah, it's dropped down. Market shows it's gonna drop more, but I think two scenario. If it's break up this level, which I don't think so in short period of time, we will see this level again. First here, let me mark it. Come here. First here, yeah, 400. Then 450. But if we see some drop like that, and if it's came to here, that's the place that I want to make immense on ZEC, cause this is a strong place for ZEC. It has some upper line, upper trend support, and also parallel. It's diagonal support and parallel support. That's why there's have double support. I do think it might rise on this part. That's why when it came here, if you prefer spot, if you prefer leverage, whatever you wanna make it, you can consider. So if that time I open some video, I would give position as well. And fat we earn on fat, yes, almost 7%. That's good. Why I didn't delete this number? That's good. While we're earning on long, we also earned from short. That's wonderful. Right now it would drop till here, but it's not gonna be surprise for me. But if it came to this level, we can consider open long. Cause why not? Maybe it will rise like inverted and shoulders or whatever. So it's risky, but anyway, I'm gonna give you because you already earn a lot. That's why it's like, excuse me, you can lose little bit. Where is it? Gosh, yeah. Very, very small, very tiny. No, I'm not gonna give. You know what? If it drop, it will come for sure little like that. Yes. Just I'm preparing my page and I'm telling I okay, I'll just give this position. I'm not gonna give any others. And while I'm taking video, I'm just cannot stop. Okay. Yeah, marks like that. And Syrian side, that was 59. Yeah, I didn't give stop loss. Don't I not gonna count this because it was for pro. It was total up to you. But the things when it's drop here, it gave 59. That's good. But whatever. Guys, today I give you some new coins because I see that I'm also following that project for a long time. I see some opportunity because it's break up, it's make pullback, and if it's break up this level, I do see there's 25%. You can even consider with spot because it's pretty much. So it's totally up to you. Now let's come to Bitcoin. So yes, it's still rising, but that's 16. What time is it? There's 10 minutes. 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, if we see close over this level, but yeah, it might give some hope, but still not sure. Anyway, long story short, guys. Let's make. By the way, this box it used like support. Long story short, if you see some drop, you can consider head and shoulders, and you can expect some drop till 69. If I see Bitcoin in 69K, I will take it. And also if I see it over this one, also I'm going to consider to take because this part also you can take in Bitcoin because it's important and it's giving 5% till 71. But right now I will just watch it and I will just see till tomorrow where market goes. So for today, that's all. I hope you liked the video. I hope you earned enough at the previous week. So let's see what's gonna happen in this week. If you have any question, don't hesitate to um, write in the comments. I would love to respond all of them. I'll see you on next video.